Welcome once again. Let's talk about Luna. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Right now, Terra Classic is trending according to CoinMarketCap. Terra Classic is among the top crypto coins trading right now on CoinMarketCap. Now, remember last year, 2022, Terra Classic is one of the top 10 coins that trended last year, even on Google. On Google search, Terra Classic was one of the top coins people were searching. People want to know more about Terra Classic. And last year, they maintained the first and third mostly this position for months before the end of last year. And now, today, according to CoinMarketCap, Terra Classic is back on trading. Terra Classic is now number 8 crypto coins that people are searching. People want to know more information. Remember, CoinMarketCap have a daily visit of over about 5.7 million people. So, and if these coins are among the top coin people are searching, people want to get more information on, it's a good one for Terra Classic. And I know very soon we'll be recording high level. We'll be recording a very high price, increase on market cap, and also high increase on burning of Terra Classic. I'm happy to see this coin back again on trading. Okay, so I believe before the end of this year, let's see what Terra Classic has to offer in the area of burning, then the area of price, and especially the market cap of Terra Classic. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next update.